Here's an app called Mazed by Appmazed, where you create all these different puzzles, and your friends and family try to solve them. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You just need to draw all these kind of labyrinths or some other puzzles, and then you share it, and other friends or just users try to solve it. So it's pretty entertaining. Yeah, so you just create your account here with Apple ID, for example. Then you just can see all the different trending mazes, like math of the day, and this is how it looks like. So someone created this, then you can see leaderboard of people who trying to solve that, and then yeah, if you want to send it, but then yeah, if you want just to play it, then you just try to solve it like that. So anyhow, you just need to move your phone somehow, and then yeah, you'll just be able to solve it. You can't draw anything or something, but yeah, that's the idea. As you can see, the leaderboard is pretty strong. Someone did that in 7 seconds. It's pretty cool. Then yeah, you can just like it, add to your library and stuff like that. So pretty cool. So that's about that. That's how this app works. You can also add friends. You can just search by them, or you can import your contacts, or you can just try to create your own maze as well. So it's quite complicated. This is one of my drafts. Okay, it doesn't work kind of, but yeah, that's the idea.